whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lines. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like by knee incline. Whoa, whoa. I wanna take you for a ride, but I need you by my side. Copy PJ, let's go fly here. It's room for the two of us, no cowboys.
I guess I can't get out of here. So this is gonna be vlog number motherfucking 2. I'm cussing. This is gonna be vlog number 2. Let's see. Whatever we can catch on the way out. If it's not enough, it won't make the video. If it is enough, we'll make the video. There is a car right now, a little Nissan Z going off.
You don't have Rimbos.
Huh?
You don't have Rimbos.
You lying. Hold on. Oh yeah. Okay, so somebody educate me on this now. So I know this isn't Brembo's, but what he did, he just upgraded the racing brake. So when the reason is when he goes to the track, when he do full slicks, the slicks would hit the Brembo's. So he went to an aftermarket smaller one. Yeah, because you're not gonna put all that money into a cat and then don't do it. So that's exactly what it is. I think I'm gonna find the owner too. It got everything, so I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the reason behind it as well. We'll figure out who car this is, but nah, these cars hard though, man. So we'll see. Like I said, look, fully white out. Got the radios on there. Hey, them radios look smooth too. What are those? Mickey's. Only thing I love is Mickey's. So Mickey's go hard, and then we got the supercharged. We got what we got behind us? What that is? The Hawk? The Hawk? Hey, come on, man. Chevy, we need to come out a little stronger, man. Y'all got everybody out here, but
the Escalade truck, the V.
Oh, the V. Yeah, but nobody know about that yet. That's what I'm saying. Nobody knows.
Yeah.
They don't know. But this is
so that's
this
the
is
whole
nice.
thing. Is like it starts to become unusable.
Yeah. They coming, man. We'll see what else. We'll see what else we find. But I'm about to go home soon. Your boy getting tired. I'm an old man. If it's 9 o'clock, I should have been to the crib. It's 11:12. Yeah, I'm out. Hey.
Ready for one? I got a pump for you right here. Yeah. Scared. That look good.
Hard as fuck, bruh.
Damn, your shit. Watch out.
Your shit hard as. Oh, this not yours.
Your shit too. That's around you.
Hey, like I said, Hellcats on top of Hellcats, man. Everybody out here. It's good to see just car lovers come out. You know, Ju brought the cat out. Y'all already. You know, man, we out here chilling, so we about to go. All right, broski. I'll hit you. I'll let you know. Yeah, that shit in like 5 hours. So I gotta get home. I need to get some food and then go from there because I don't eat, I don't sleep, I don't do anything. I can't be doing car stuff all the time. Can't be doing car stuff all the time, but we'll see. And then I gotta show y'all this V, which is super hard. You know I'm a Chevy GM lover. This one is clean. Super clean. Bro, I appreciate it, man. I have nothing bad to say about this one. If I went V, it would have to be something like this, man. If I went V, it'd have to be something like this. Time to go, especially if I'm gonna do something later, shit.
Hey, I said the same shit, bro.
Yes, sir, it's time to.
Hey, I think it's a private slide meet tonight, too.
That's what I'm saying. Let me know in the group chat if you find anything, but I definitely.
Y'all see the there's a 170 David here.
Yeah. Hey, we seen
regular demon.
Yeah.
regular demon and the 170, and then at home she has the red eye. So you know what I'm saying? Huh?
Rev it.
Heck no, I ain't gonna rev it here, man. I'm out, my boy. When we go to another one.
Listen, you got a ZL1. These people are here for you. Listen, you see this? This is what you bought your ZL1 for, to show out.
Hell no.
You bought your ZL1 to show out. Listen, look, and they police don't care about it because they would have been told them not. They would have stopped over here. Why you think everybody lined up for it? So you gonna ride out in this ZL1? Quiet as hell. Lying.
Hey, I'm gonna be out here quiet as hell, boy.
You lying, bro.
But oh, that's a V6, cause I'm gonna be chilling.
Man, when you start this bitch up, you better. I better hit that pop.
Hey, we'll see, cause I
I pay for it.
I got E85 in that motherfucker.
Look, if you get a ticket, I pay for it.
Damn.
If you get a ticket.
It's not even that. It's the fact I don't want to be in the system. I be trying to.
You good? You gonna be in the system.
Shit.
You see how many cars pop? You good?
Look at them boys, man. Look at them boys. They about to act stupid. They about to act stupid. Look at this motherfucker.
Hey, if I had a cat, I'd be spinning this.
Hey, he said, if I had the money. Hey, if I had the money.
If I had the money, I have a cat, I'd be spinning it, bitch.
Yes, sir. You know what after you take off. Them boys gone. Them boys gone. All right, that's it, man. We gonna wrap it up. I'm getting tangled up in certain stuff. I don't know which way everybody else going, but I want to make sure I am driving as safe as possible, cause y'all know GSP don't play with me.
Shut up, some shit to say, hold on. I made 100,000 off of type beats. Me and my niggas, we do it like Nike. She asked me if I'm high, I said I might be. That bitch hitting my phone, wanna bite me. She want my money, I don't think she like me. I like my bitch ass fat, real feisty. Fuck the nigga bitch, not the nigga wanna fight me. That's your bitch, not my fault that she like me. Do it again, riding the beans, pick up a friend. Don't get the dough, we ain't letting them in. Treat her like a 5, but she really a 10. Don't bring the bitch, she ain't bringing a friend. Fuck that little bitch and I treat like my kin. Ain't scratching beef, we ain't making amends. She sucked the dick, I grab her by the chin. Nigga try to shoot the 5 and he die. Ambulance pick him up, he ain't survive. I really rap, so my rap on live. Niggas be capping, he diss me on live. Pull up to his mama, I'll shoot till she die. Police ask me questions, don't know his side. Fuck making peace, I just make sure he fry. Bitch, I'm a demon, just look in my eye. You gon' go ahead and cry about it, nigga, don't cry about it. Get up and slap about it, my niggas hop out of wire. My niggas, we up in the scope. I smoking, you ain't let me know. We in the club with the hoes in. Can't come in the club like my bros in. My niggas getting in bows in. Go to my city, I feel like the Rosen. Just stay in your lane and listen to lame. You know if I catch him, it's off with his brain. You know if I catch him, we shoot him from range. Shoot him from half, bitch, I feel like I'm damn. He try to diss me, he just want some fame. Don't diss me to a bitch that's lame. You bought a car, nigga, go buy a chain. Big body Benji, I made 100,000 off of type beats. Me and my niggas, we do it like Nike. She asked me if I'm high, I said I might be. That bitch hitting my phone, wanna bite me. She want my money, I don't think she like me. I like my bitch ass fat, real feisty. Fuck the nigga bitch, not the nigga wanna fight me. That's your bitch, not my fault that she like me. Do it again, riding the beans, pick up a friend. Don't get the dough, we ain't letting them in. Treat her like a 5, but she really a 10. Don't bring the bitch, she ain't bringing a friend. Fuck that little bitch and I treat like my kin. Ain't scratching beef, we ain't making amends. She sucked the dick, I grab her by the chin.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lanes. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like Bonnie and Clyde. Whoa, whoa. I wanna take you for a ride, but I need you by my side. Copy PJ, let's go fly here. It's room for the two of us, no cowboys. Red day. We meant for each other just like our toys. Bad breath. I can't lie, you popping up inside my dream. Red day. I get butterflies, girl, you know what that means. Hey, hey. Big jet plane, I can put you in a diamond ring. Introduce you to the fine